Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp date and time error. If you're experiencing a date and time error in WhatsApp where messages or notifications seems to be out of order or not displaying correctly, you can try the following steps to fix it. First, you need to check the date and the time in your settings and simply go to the system over here in the bottom and look out for the date and time. We could see tap on that and ensure that the date and time settings on your device are correct, and you need to have to go to device setting and check the date, time and the time zone settings as well. Or you could also try restarting your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, simply close it, and this can sometimes resolve temporary issues within the app. Or try updating your WhatsApp. Go to the Play Store, and in the top there's a search bar, tap there and look out for the WhatsApp and open it, and make sure you are using the latest version of the WhatsApp. Go to the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone and check for the updates. Or you could also try uninstalling the WhatsApp and reinstall back again if none of the above steps work, and this can fix any corrupted files or settings causing the issue. And if the issue still persists, you may need to contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Provide them with the details about the issue you're experiencing and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.